Today, we will solve another tricky question. Write the greatest two-digit number and express it as the product of primes. We know that the greatest two-digit number is 99. Please follow the rules and find prime factorization of 99. As per the rules, try dividing 99 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 99 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 99 exactly, we get 33. Again, try dividing 33 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 33 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 33 exactly, we get 11. Observe here, 11 is a prime number. So, it is divisible exactly only by 1 and itself. Since 1 is not a prime number, we consider 11 as the prime divisor. Got it? Since 11 divides 11 exactly, we get 1. As per the rule, stop here as 1 is reached. Finally, collect all the prime divisors. In this case, they are 3, 3 and 11. So, 99 can be expressed as the unique product of prime numbers 3, 3 and 11. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.